Alright, so this is the
Penis.
penis. The glans is the distal end of the penis, or which is also known as the head of the penis. Try to go over it. Yeah, there you go. Go above. And then the external urethral orifice is the opening right here. So it's the first part. And then the cavernous urethra, it changes its name when it goes deeper. So this is the cavernous
Professor.
urethra. And then the corpus spongiosum is just this part right here that is around the urethra.
The head has all the spongiosum joint.
Yep. And then the corpus cavernosum are these little,
Looks like a cavern.
yeah,
Looking like Luray caverns in there.
corpus cavernosum. So that's the actual penis part now, the testes.
That's called a shaft.
Yep. And then in this, there's no bone or muscle in this. And then these are the testes. The tunica vaginalis.
This covers it covers the testes.
Yeah, it covers this whole thing. So that's the tunica vaginalis. It's a peritoneal sac that immediately houses each testes, which originated from the abdominal cavity of the fetus along with the testes. And then the scrotum is the outer sac of skin. So I believe this is the scrotum right here.
No, that's not. That's something else. The scrotum is this.
All right, pause it.
If they were tag it, you see how there's the scrotum here on the outside, the skin? The next layer in, I think this light pink layer, that would be the sort of the equivalent of what the vaginal tunic would be.
That is so defined. Look at that.
Yeah. So this part right here is the scrotum.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Told you.
And then the epididymis is this. It's all in here,
Yeah, it basically starts up here and goes down to about there.
and it's in the inside of this, or is that the actual epididymis?
No, that's the actual epididymis.
Oh,
So this
okay.
is the actual testis, this is the actual epididymis. It's covered by vaginal tunic, a very, very thin, like, 1 cell layer thick membrane.
And then the ductus deferens is this part right down here,
Yeah, it starts down there and then
and
goes
works it.
up through the spermatic cord, and you can't really see it in the spermatic cord in here because it's covered by like the testicular artery in red and the testicular vein in blue. There's a lot of that, and so it covers most of the ductus deferens. So you don't really see it again until up here by the bladder, where it curves around under the ureter. The ureter is here coming down from the kidney, but there's the ductus deferens there and the ductus deferens there. And then it will drain in along with your seminal vesicle, which is here.
That's the seminal vesicles.
Yeah, so this and this, the seminal vesicle and the ductus deferens will drain together into the ejaculatory duct, which is on the inside of this part here if you lift it up and down.
Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. So it would be
Could you just make you like do it so we don't have waste?
seminal vessel is this.
Seminal vesicle?
Seminal vesicles is this, and then the.
No, that's the ductus deferens, actually.
Oh, okay.
There's the
Oh,
seminal
right.
vesicle.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You can't really see it in there, can you?
Yeah, you can see the seminal vesicle. That's this structure here, this dead end pouch.
Oh, okay.
That's the seminal vesicle there. And there's the ejaculatory duct there. As the seminal vesicle drains its seminal fluid into the ejaculatory duct and then into the prostatic
Prostate.
portion of the urethra here.
And that's the prostate glands right
Yeah,
here.
all of this is prostate.
And then that part is the
all of this is
prostatic
prostate.
urethra.
Mm-hmm.
That part. Okay, cool. All right, I think I got it. Wait, you ready?
Go ahead. I was recording the whole time.
Okay, then we'll just go over it then. How the heck do you put this back on?
It's recording. You know that. Do not embarrass yourself.
Okay, so.
Wow, you got it.
The tunica vaginalis is this this red part around here. So that would be technically covering all of this. So it's this red part, and then the scrotum is this whole part. It's just the whole sac.
The balls.
It's the balls. It's the whole sac. The epidermis is this whole part right here, and it starts from right down here is the epidermis, and then the ductus deferens starts. Ductus deferens starts right here, and it works its way up all the way up here, which then turns into this spermatic cord that goes all the way along here. Spermatic cord. And then the urinary bladder, of course, is put it up right here. urinary bladder. This seminal vessels are these right here, and then when you take seminal vesicles are right here, and then when you open it up, it turns into this part right here, seminal vesicles. So seminal vesicles, and then the ejaculatory ducts.
Ejaculatory? Is it an ejaculatory or ejaculatory?
Ejaculatory
Vesicle
ducts
like icicle.
is this part right here, the ejaculatory ducts, and the prostate glands
The black joint.
are these two right here, and the prostatic urethra is right here.
Okay,
Right, that's it.
that's it.
For the balls, yep.
So what is this?
What is what?
What is this called?
The penis.
The penis.